Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to watch video on Mac Trash. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. To watch a video from your Mac Trash, you must first restore the file to its original. But what if you don't want to restore it? You just want to check it. It's very simple. So first of all, you can open your trash on your Mac. Now you can just choose on the video that you want to play. If we double click on the video on the file, we can't open it because it's already on trash. So how to watch it without restore it to your Mac? It's very simple. So you can just click right on your MacBook. Now there is an option quick look. You can select on that. And now this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. You can watch this video from your trash without you need to restore it. It's very simple, right? You can play it. Now, maybe if you think you want to restore it, you can just restore it. It's very simple, right? So that is how to watch a video on your Mac Trash without restore it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!